Welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how we can display a Power BI report in PowerPoint. My students ask me this all the time. For example, once you have your report up and running, you may want to go ahead and share it to PowerPoint, as you can see I'm doing here. What I can do is, this is interactive. This is not just a printout of the report. I can go ahead and click around, and you can see all of my visuals are responding properly. Here is my gauge visual. Here's my tree map visual. So if I just want to go ahead and maybe just filter the entire report by quarter, I can go ahead and do that. So all these visuals have been updated to reflect the Q1 results in here as well. Now, how do we go ahead and get this set up? Well, the first step was to create your visual in the BI desktop, and then go ahead and publish the report to the BI service. And then from there, you can go ahead and share to PowerPoint. So let's take a look at these steps. So here's my really nice, wonderful Power BI report that I've created. I do have several pages in here. You can see I have a really nice big matrix visual in here, but I'll just go ahead and focus on page 1 here. So once you get your visuals up and running, you want to go ahead and actually publish it. So from the Home tab in Power BI Desktop, just go ahead and click on the Publish, and you can see the little share icon is right there. Once you click on Publish, it's going to ask you where you want to publish the report. If you have your own workspace, feel free to go ahead and do that. I've already published it, so I'm just going to go ahead and launch the report in the BI service. Now, once you actually publish it, you will receive a link right away that brings you to the service. You can also just head on over to office.com, launch Power BI on the web. You can see I'm using my workspace here. Either way, here's the report, and here are the different pages of that report as well. We can see we have the same visuals, of course. They are interactive here as well. Well, I'm here because I want to be able to export this into PowerPoint in the same way that you can have a dynamic Microsoft form being displayed in your PowerPoint presentation. This is another great way. Maybe you don't want to share this report to Teams or SharePoint or export it as a PDF. You want a more familiar experience by using PowerPoint to present it. So the key here is just to click on the share icon right here. Just make sure that you are not in edit mode. So right now I'm in view mode. So make sure you can see this edit button here. If you're not seeing it, you can just go ahead and refresh the screen. And you can also make any other changes here. So you can see I've centered aligned a lot of my headers in here as well. So I'm good to go. I'll go ahead and click on share. And one of the options is to share to PowerPoint. Now, I'll go ahead and click on here, and let's see what it says when I do that. So it's giving me a few options. So I can copy the link, or I can open in PowerPoint. So it says copy the report URL and paste it in your existing presentation, or select open in PowerPoint to create a new presentation. Well, I'll go ahead and click on open in PowerPoint, and we get the common open PowerPoint app here. So I'll go ahead and launch it. Now, once I launch it, you can see it's already opening up PowerPoint for me. It's loading the report. It does come with 2 pages. So here's 2 slides rather. So here's the second one, just kind of giving you some basic information, but here's the first slide, and you can see it's already loaded the data, and I'm good to go. So now I can go ahead and present this. If I go into presentation mode, and here we go. So it is interactive. So if I go ahead and click around, you can see all of my visuals are loading here. So if you're just more comfortable using PowerPoint as opposed to using the dashboard, or sharing the report to Teams or to SharePoint, if PowerPoint is your way to go, this is how you want to do it. We do have other tools down here on the bottom as well. For example, you can refresh the data, and you can view different pages here as well. But for now, if I'm presenting the data and someone says, well, can we just focus on the sales from the North region? I can click here, and all these visuals have been updated to reflect the sum of sales, the transactions, transactions by product name, and units sold by region and category based on the North region. We can see this visual here is only showing the actual North. So that is how you can level up your Power BI and your PowerPoint as well.